If your firestick apps are dead, blocked, or just stopped working, you don't need to waste hours searching random websites. I'm going to give you the best downloader code to use in 2026. It's always updated, packed with free apps, and it's the fastest way to replace broken apps with the latest versions and newest releases. Here it is, downloader code 28907. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use it the right way. If this saves you time today, hit like right now. It helps more Fire TV users find this code. This code gives you access to a full library of apps that are kept up to date, so you're not stuck installing old versions that break after a week. It's perfect if you want to replace apps that stopped working, find alternatives when something disappears, get newer versions faster, and discover brand new releases without hunting around. Comment 28907 below so you don't forget it, and I'll heart as many as I can. Step 1, make sure you have the downloader app. From the Fire TV home screen, go to Find, Search, type Downloader, download the orange app and open it. If it asks for access to files and media, press Allow because you need that to install apps. If you've got Downloader installed, hit Like because you're already halfway done. Now enable the setting that lets Downloader install apps. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and turn Downloader on. If you don't see developer options, go to About, highlight your device name, press Select 7 times, then go back. Developer Options appears. Now, if that doesn't work for you, it's almost always because you've got the new Fire TV Stick 4K Select, and that model doesn't allow you to install apps from outside of the Amazon App Store. I broke all of this down in my previous video, and the link to that is above and also in the description. And honestly, if you bought the 4K Select, I'd send that piece of junk straight back to Amazon and get the one I actually recommend, the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. I'll link the 4K Max in the description and in the pinned comment. Now open Downloader and click the URL box. Type 28907 and press Go. When the page loads, press the menu button on your remote, then press it again for full screen. It's cleaner and easier to navigate that way. You will now see a quick token screen. Now, the token system stops bots from continuously attacking the site, and that keeps everything running smoothly for real users like you. It's simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Grab your phone or tablet, scan the QR code or type the web address shown, then tap Generate Token. You will see ads or pop-ups. These are third-party, but they help to keep the site maintained. Just close any like you would normally close ads or tabs on your device and continue. Now enter that token back on your Fire TV. If you're on the right page now, comment I'm in. I want to see how many of you got it working instantly. And my stats show that 91% of you do. So if you are in that category, make sure you comment. Now you'll see categories. Pick what you want, choose an app, and hit the blue download button. Follow the prompts to install. When it finishes, press Done, then press Delete and confirm Delete again. That clears the install file and keeps your Fire TV fast. Now, a quick tip for you. If clicking the blue download button gets stuck on connecting or any other error, try the backup download link instead, just underneath. If you installed your first app successfully, smash like. It tells YouTube that this actually works. One of the reasons this is the best downloader code is because it's built around keeping apps up to date with latest versions, newest releases, and working links. But the fastest way to get it fixed is simple. Go to that exact app's download page and click the report button. That report goes to the right place for that specific app, so it can be corrected quickly. So that's it. The best downloader code in 2026 is 28907. If your old apps stopped working, got replaced, or just aren't reliable anymore, this is the fastest way to get fresh alternatives, new releases, and updated versions without hunting all over the internet. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fire TV guides, and share this with the one friend who's constantly asking you for working apps. And comment 28907 so it's saved in your history. Before you leave, remember that if you are sideloading apps and you aren't using a VPN in 2026, your ISP can see exactly what you're watching. I've linked the only VPN I trust for Fire TV below. If you want direct help with your Fire Stick, access to content I can't post publicly, or priority replies, check out channel memberships. Just click the join button below. Give me a follow over on X and TikTok, check out the unboxd.tech YouTube channel and follow for more guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.